Hello there guys, welcome back to another short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's Jack from Blue Sky Graphics. What I'd like to do today guys is show you how to use the sky replacement tool. A really cool tool that exists within Photoshop. And it says what it does in the title. You can replace skies within imagery. Really cool. Now what you can do is use preset skies that Photoshop give you, or you can use your own custom skies to input yourself. Okay, so with the highlighted layer, what I'm going to do is just simply unlock that, and I'm going to go now to edit. And as you can see here, we have the sky replacement tool. So I'm going to click open that tool there. And as you can see, Photoshop is taking a couple seconds to implement a new sky. Wow. So we have the options here to the preset ones I was saying to you earlier. So you can come through and start to affect different types of skylines. Really cool. As you can see, that looks pretty realistic there. You can scroll through here. Really start to change and dictate the types of skies that you have. Fantastic. I think I might settle for that one there, looking for sort of a biblical type of feel. We'll come back to that one later. But as you can see, you can scroll through and there are loads of sort of preset ones that you can use, and they really suit well and work well. Okay. Like I said to you earlier, if you wanted to input your own skyline, what you'd need to do now is come to this little plus sign here. Your documents will open up here and you can input a new skyline like so. Open. And there's our new skyline that is put within our group there. Okay, let's shut some of these groups. And you can add as many as you like. So let's look at spectacular. I was a fan of that one there. Beautiful. Okay. What you can also do with these skylines is really start to play with them. So we've got the temperature. So let's make it a little bit warmer. Let's say nice. Brightness, bring that up, really sort of looking for a biblical feel. I don't want to change the flip or scale or anything like so, because I'm pretty happy with it. And I want to put the output settings. You can either affect new layers or duplicate layer. Let's put a new layer there, let's say. And we're going to press OK. Now you'll notice what will happen is now created a sky replacement group. Okay, so everything that we did within that sky replacement editing window there is now available for us. Temperature, brightness, as you can see, it's created a layer mask for us, an edge lighting group that you can open and manipulate at your will. And there you go, guys. That is how you create and dictate different skylines and different skies within Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, and the courses that we offer, please visit our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Check out our Instagram as well. Some really cool stuff on there by our really talented students at Blue Sky Graphics UK. And also as well, guys, we've got videos and tutorials that come out on a weekly basis, ranging from Photoshop all the way through to InDesign. Please check them out. Some really cool information there for you. Thank you very much, guys. Take care and see you next time.